Have you ever thrown away a banana just because it turned brown? Big mistake, that's actually when it's at its sweetest. Hi friends, it's Nancy. You might not believe it, but those soft spotty bananas sitting on your counter are little treasures in disguise. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn those overripe bananas from something you toss away into something surprisingly useful. Stick with me because after this, you'll never look at an old banana the same way again. Those soft brown bananas are actually packed with nutrients that your plants will love. Instead of throwing them away, you can turn them into a rich, simple, natural, and completely free homemade fertilizer. Start by cutting your ripe or even blackened bananas into small pieces. Place them into a clean bowl or container. Because the bananas are already soft, you won't need much effort to mash them. Use a rolling pin potato masher or even the back of a spoon to crush the pieces until you get a smooth, creamy texture. Take your time with this step. The goal is to blend everything into a thick paste. The soft banana pulp is full of natural nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. These minerals help strengthen plant roots, improve flowering, and make leaves greener. Think of it as giving your plants a vitamin boost straight from your kitchen scraps. It's one of the easiest, most sustainable ways to reuse food that would otherwise go to waste. Once your bananas are mashed, pour in enough clean water to cover them. About 2 cups for every 2 bananas is a good ratio. Stir well until the banana pulp and water mix evenly. The liquid will look cloudy and slightly thick, which means the nutrients are starting to release. Now it's time for the fermentation process. Cover the top of your container with plastic wrap or a loose-fitting lid, but don't seal it completely. During fermentation, natural gases are produced and the container needs a bit of room to breathe. Leave it in a cool, shaded spot for about 3 days. Gently stirring once a day, you'll start to notice small bubbles and a mild fruity smell. That's how you know it's working. After about a week, your banana mixture will be ready to use. While your banana mixture is fermenting, let's take a little break and talk about something just as amazing: banana peels. Most of us toss them without a second thought, but they're actually full of natural oils and gentle acids that make them perfect for cleaning and polishing. These tricks are so easy you might wonder why you've never tried them before. Let's start with something simple: polishing leather. The inside of a banana peel is rich in natural oils that can nourish and restore leather, giving it a soft shine without using any chemicals. Just take a fresh peel and gently rub the inner side over your leather shoes, handbag, or even your sofa. The peel will lift away dust and dirt while the oils soak into the surface, leaving a smooth, glossy finish. I still remember watching my mother do this when I was little. Whenever we ran out of shoe polish, she'd grab a banana peel from the kitchen, smile, and say, "No need to waste money, nature already made the best polish for us." She'd rub my father's old shoes, and within minutes, they'd look as good as new. It's a small, simple memory, but it reminds me how caring for things with love always made our home feel warm and alive. Now, if you want another clever use, banana peels can also make your kitchen fixtures shine like new. You know those stubborn white spots or dull patches on your faucet that never seem to come off? Just flip a banana peel inside out and use it to wipe the surface. The natural oils and mild fruit acids gently break down stains and mineral buildup without scratching or damaging the metal. After a quick rinse with clean water and a soft cloth, you'll be amazed your faucet will sparkle again, just like the day you bought it. No harsh chemicals, no expensive cleaners, just a simple peel doing the job perfectly. So, next time you finish a banana, don't throw away the peel. It's a little gift from nature ready to bring back the shine to your shoes, your home, and maybe even a few warm memories along the way. After a week of patient waiting, the banana mixture has finished fermenting and is now ready to become a powerful all-natural fertilizer. You'll notice the sweet, fruity smell and a light layer of bubbles on top. That's a good sign. It means the natural nutrients have broken down and are ready to feed your plants. Start by straining the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or a piece of clean cloth to separate the solids. Take your time with this step. The goal is to collect as much of the golden liquid as possible, while leaving the thick pulp behind. Once strained, pour the liquid into a clean glass or plastic bottle and seal it tightly. This is your concentrated banana fertilizer. Now, before you use it, there's one important step: dilution. The mixture is quite strong, so you'll need to mix it with water in a ratio of 1 part banana fertilizer to 5 or even 10 parts water. Stir well before using it. This balance helps release nutrients slowly and safely into the soil. Scientifically speaking, this liquid fertilizer is full of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the 3 key nutrients that plants need to thrive. It's basically a complete meal for your plants, made entirely from something you once thought was waste. When it's time to water, pour the diluted solution slowly around the base of your plants, letting it soak into the soil. Once a week is the perfect schedule. It's enough to keep your plants nourished without overwhelming their roots. Be careful not to overdo it. Using it too often or too concentrated can burn the roots, especially for delicate flowers. Tell me, do you grow plants at home? I'd love to hear what you're taking care of in your garden or on your windowsill. Over time, you'll start to notice the difference. Greener leaves, stronger stems, and blossoms that stay vibrant longer. It's a small routine that brings big rewards. And knowing you made this fertilizer yourself from something as simple as a ripe banana makes it all the more satisfying. So, next time you see bananas turning brown on your counter, remember, they're not waste. They're nature's own gift for keeping your garden alive, beautiful, and thriving all year long. If you found today's tip helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss more easy natural ideas like this. Take care, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.